Daily News.
More severe weather on its way to Kentuckiana. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Suter.
And I'm Peyton Murstevsky. We're a few hours away before that severe weather will arrive.
Let's bring in meteorologist Bryce Jones first thing to tell us what we should be expecting.
Yeah, so the storms that are moving through right now are not severe. They're all elevated, meaning that none of them are rotating, nothing like that. Now, some of them can still pack a punch, some torrential rainfall, gusty winds, things like that. Things you would expect to see during a normal springtime thunderstorm. But what you're seeing on your screen there is a tornado watch issued by the Storm Prediction Center that includes most of our area, not all of our southern communities. It includes Louisville through about 5 o'clock. And in addition to that, we also have a wind advisory in effect right now through 8 o'clock tonight. So outside of thunderstorms, like you see there behind me looking towards southern Indiana, you can still expect wind gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour. When the soil is wet, it doesn't take much to blow some trees over. That can do wind damage, and it's like the 12th wind advisory we've had since December in our area. And we have another one out in store for today outside of the storms that we are expecting later on. So this is kind of like the front line of showers and storms that are moving through ahead of what's to come later. That tornado watch that has been issued from the Storm Prediction Center, in my opinion, is issued a little bit early because we still have storms on top of us. That's not what this is for, at least in my understanding. They were a little vague with kind of explaining what it was for. It should be for that later line back there over toward Illinois and over toward Missouri. That's the actual front that's moving toward our area, and that has the potential to bring strong to severe storms, not what's over top of us right now. We have an enhanced risk out for severe storms for our area for about 95% of us. Southern half of Adair County is not included in that. Number one threat by far is going to be damaging wind gusts. I know we have a tornado threat out or a tornado watch out for our area right now, but I'm telling you right now, we do not have a lot of turning with the winds. Does that mean we're not going to see any tornadoes? No, but that means our risk is lower than these other two, damaging wind gusts and hail. Those two impacts are going to be the main impacts we see as this front approaches us mid to late afternoon. But here's the good thing about this forecast. After we get through this storm today, our pattern looks a lot more calm heading into later this week. But we got to get through the storms today first. So coming up here in about 10 minutes, we're going to go through the timeline hour by hour when the storms arrive in our area in our Easter weekend forecast.
All right, see you soon. Thank you, Bryce. An insult to the country. That's what